If you've been contemplating the value of investing in SEO for your small business, a crucial question on your mind is the return on investment. How much can your sales genuinely grow when you allocate resources and effort to SEO? This is precisely why I'm eager to present a compelling SEO success story. This case study, centered on a small business's SEO experiences, will not only serve as a source of inspiration, but also provide actionable strategies you can implement to replicate this success for your own business. This SEO success story is about an online macaroon business in the US called Pastries, founded by two French pastry chefs from Paris. The macaroons are handcrafted by the chefs and delivered all over the US. The objective: set up and grow a macaroon business in the United States focusing on SEO strategies. In other words, focus on growing their brand awareness and getting their website noticed by Google as the primary channel to get orders and grow the business. Advertising and social media would be add-ons to support their SEO. The results. Before starting to explain the steps taken in this local SEO case study, let me share with you the results. 6 months after launch, the website ranked #1 for the keyword macaroons near me. The business has sold over 1 million plus macaroons, driven mostly by their organic traffic. Within 4 years of starting online sales, Pastries was able to open a brick and mortar store. 6 years after launch, the website is still within the top 5 positions on Google. Today, 55% of sales come from non-branded organic traffic and 10 to 15% from branded organic traffic. Expand their facility and launch a new product line, crepes. Here is their organic traffic currently. The SEO strategies. The key SEO strategies used by the team were targeting high intent and buyer keywords and link outreach. Find high intent keywords. Pastries decided to focus only on high intent keywords, or keywords that indicate buying intention, in order to maximize their traffic from people who want to buy macaroons. Think about when you search for food options in the region that you're in. For example, when you want to visit a bar or restaurant, you could search for terms like restaurant and location, cafe and near me, bakery and location, bar and near me. So the bakery Pastries wanted to focus on such high intent, localized keywords for their macaroon business. At that time, the best keywords they could find with good search volume and low difficulty in the US was macaroons near me. This keyword also had a stable trend and growth. Not just that, using the SEMrush keyword magic tool, Pastries saw that the broad keyword and topic of macaroons near me was also supported by secondary keywords and subtopics like fresh macaroons near me, best macaroons near me, and more. All of this pointed towards a high demand for macaroons all over the United States. And that is what Pastries focused its SEO strategy and business model around. Handmade macaroons shipped all across the US. Analyze your competition. It's all well and good to target a keyword, but the real trick lies in beating all the domains that rank currently in the top 10. In other words, the next step of SEO is to analyze the winning strategies of your competition and beat them. So Pastries analyzed the domains that were ranking on the top of Google for macaroons on 2 parameters: all organic keywords and backlinks. The goal was to try and rank for the majority of these keywords and reach out to the domains for linking opportunities. Now that the keyword research part was over, it was time to launch the website and start multiplying revenues. A simple 5-page website for Pastries' website was launched in September 2017. Invest in content marketing. In SEO, product pages only get you so far. You will have to invest in content marketing sooner or later to maintain your search engine positioning. For Pastries, that was in 2021, when they started a blog and started developing content consistently based on a clear digital content strategy. Create topic clusters. Pastries had one thing that worked in their favour. It sold only one product. Macaroons. That was the core pillar. All they had to do was follow a topic cluster approach by creating a post relating to everything on macaroons. They got these keywords from the keyword magic tool with these priorities. Choose keywords with low keyword difficulty. Answer questions that people ask. They found lots of keywords with high volume and low difficulty and wrote blog posts on them to build the expertise for their small business website on macaroons. Later, they also created other popular subtopics like gifts, vegans, and gluten-free to include more posts on macaroons related to these subtopics. Optimize for local SEO keywords. Pastries always stayed steady on its strategy for targeting keywords with high buyer intent of people looking for buying options around them. So it expanded its keywords and blog posts to keywords that included near me. Here are some of the local keywords of near me that the business website ranks for now. Conduct innovative link outreach. Remember the competition research that Pastries did earlier? It evaluated all the high-ranking domains that were linking to these competition sites and did a link outreach in a very special way. Instead of sending an email asking for a link, the business sent free macaroons to domains, accompanied by a request for links. Who can say no to that? Genius. Conduct SEO maintenance. SEO success, even for local SEO, is very steady, but over a period of time, it is very easy to slip in the rankings. That is why you need to do constant ongoing SEO maintenance to increase sales with SEO, which Pastries also did. These are some of the SEO maintenance steps done by the bakery. Regular site audits. Pastries always kept a close eye on the technical health of its website, as well as used the insights from the SEMrush site audits to improve and optimize content. On-page optimization. The team also ensured that all the website pages were optimized for SEO with the correct meta tags, heading tags, and other HTML elements. Position tracking. A bit of ups and downs are inevitable in SEO, but Pastries kept a close eye on its rankings, and if there was a big drop, the team took action immediately to refresh the content and regain the ranking. Learnings and conclusion. Each SEO success story and case study is unique. However, there are some common factors that can help you achieve your own SEO and sales success story. These are some of the SEO steps that you must do. Identify specific goals, know your audience in detail, prioritize keywords that can drive sales, not just traffic, use long-tail keywords and create topic clusters, research your competitors to gain insight into their strategies, create SEO-friendly content that's relevant to your audience, answer questions asked by your audience, optimize your content and web pages, ensure technical SEO, build high-quality links. This SEO success story is proof that SEO does indeed help boost sales even for small businesses. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more essential videos. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.